What's up, guys? So we're at the gas station right now. We're getting some gas pumped into the beast right now. Just throwing in like 10 bucks. And after we get this gas pumped in, we're gonna head right over to the car wash, get her washed up, and then we're gonna meet up with Gerb and get some pulls in. All right, guys, let's send it. All right, let's see how much we're at. And we're at like almost half a tank, not too much. But I just want to do a little update for you guys. I just want to let you guys know that like not all of my videos are gonna be this style where they're just me doing like pulls on the highway and stuff. It's not just gonna be like that. I'm kind of just doing that right now just to like introduce you guys to the channel and introduce you guys to my car. But eventually we're gonna be doing like a whole lot of challenges, a whole lot of skits, just a bunch of funny stuff. And we're still gonna be doing a crap load of modifications to this car, and we're gonna film all of that great stuff, record all of the races, a lot of funny stuff, a lot of skits, like I said, and a lot of collabs. So just expect to see a lot of people on this channel. And if you guys are into that kind of stuff, then be sure to check out my other videos. Give me a subscribe and like and comment some other stuff that you guys want to see on this channel, because I'm open up to all ideas. We are pulling up to the car wash. There's like only one person here. It's nighttime, but we're just gonna go ahead and take his spot. Let's get to washing.
Late night thoughts of a dream man, late night walks, I'm a G-man. I say fuck that order, bitch that's not your corner. I drink blood like water, at least that's what I taught her. 25 days left now when I come to realize that I'm close to the red line. I want you, 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 I want one. Fake ass friends and they all wanna talk and they all want something. Place that pen on the white toe tag, bitch, give me something. I like pain, I hate fame, you my main, we the same, life's a game, all this rain, yeah. I might die for the things I did. I can't try to take away my sin. I've seen cash and I seen my past. 6 feet down cause I chased that ass, yeah. And I promise that my body moves slow. Got nowhere to go. My mental be low.
Alright, well, car wash is all done. I think we are ready to go meet up with Gerb. It's a little late, it's pretty dark, but hopefully we can get some good shots.
Time to feel like the torque in Bill's car is still way better than mine. So I might have a better top end, but he has a better mid-range. Oh yeah! Oh, that thing actually sounded good. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He had to chive in, dude.